Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today we're going to do our first DIY project of 2022. What I want to do is take these chairs that my chica got from the neighbors. They just left it out, so I guess they was getting rid of it. So she wants to repaint them. I kind of like them, but she wants to repaint them. First thing we have to do is definitely clean them up. They're like spider webs. They must have been out in the street. You know, they was probably left on the sidewalk. So we got to clean them first, wash them down, then paint them. I'll show you what the paint will be using. She went to get the paint, so I didn't get it. So she went to Home Depot and got paint that will paint your outdoor paint. Alright guys, so let me show you the chairs. Okay guys, so these are the chairs. This is really strong sun here. And you can see they got bird crap on it, got spider web, and it got dust and dirt on it. So of course we had to take them back in the back and kind of power wash these things down. There was a nice color, but they are different colors. She doesn't like the colors. So it's two blues, this sort of like green aqua color, and then there's this sort of like a rose color. So we're going to take these things out, guys, and we're going to clean this up, wipe them down, let it dry, and then start painting. All right guys, let's get started. One is pretty. It's probably got to be scrubbed here. They're going to be painted, you know. I know I could do for this. Probably put some spray on this and then spray it again. And no, this is not a sponsored video, but this is where I always... Alright, let's see how it does. You saw that little bit of dirt, so we're going to spray. And then we're going to water it again, especially that green one, and see how it takes the dirt off. Okay, so this one here is really dirty. Let's see if it'll get this dirt off. Let it soak a little bit.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide.
Make sure you do coverage. Yep, like I see a little bit of pink, so you want to probably get 2 coats of that. When one's almost dry, then you spray another coat.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede.
Ready? Okay, so one thing also, make sure the arrow is pointed on the black dot here. That's where the nozzle is. About 10 inches. Even, remember how I always do mine?
But we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. we could be alone between city lights. We don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know.
So again, let's do the legs. Let's start here. So we'll just line this, guys.
And as you can see, it's a very beautiful moss green color.
Ew, I hate green, but that's okay. There we go, right here. There. And on the outside, I'm gonna go around so it could be an even flow. Because you don't want to paint too much here and then not enough there. You're gonna see one's darker and lighter, then you're gonna see that spot.
Aren't you sick and tired of having to hide?
Okay, not bad. I didn't do the bottom yet. So I think I see a little pink here. So when it's almost dry, I will get that. Guys, she's really only worried about the front of it. So I got the crevices here, as you can see. This needs another little. Here I can see a faint of a pink. So we're going to do another coat of that. And then I'll do the insides of that. And then that green part come all the way this way forward. And each slack going across, I'll do that.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? I can't understand why we can't hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love. Aren't you sick and tired of having to hide? I know a place, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
this is Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Paint and Primer, and this is moss green for wood, metal, and plastic, guys. And this is satin finish. So this is the finish. It's really like a dull finish. There's a little shine to it. It seems very sturdy. Not bad at all. See, we was doing in between the slats. Remember? In between the slats here. That's why I sprayed in the back of it. So this one can did one chair. So that's why she didn't want to do the back of the chair.
Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be.